Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIBA update for 14th of July, and here we go again, right? So yesterday we pretty much bounced off this area and we tried to move a little bit higher, but it's not the end of it, and I'm going to tell you why it's not the end of things right now. Because you had three black rows, you had one big huge green candle, and that is actually you doing every single thing to continue to the downside. It's not bullish at all by any means. And watch the Bitcoin update today if you want to know about three-line strike pattern, because we do have three-line strike pattern as well. So if I actually do go back to Google here, I did Google for three-line strike pattern. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this image that you see, 1, 2, 3 red candle and one big huge green candle, is a bearish three-line strike, and Bitcoin has that as well. So do watch Bitcoin today, it's important, and I'm actually going to give you a comment on it, just a quick one, so that I can tell you the threat that we're about to get into with Bitcoin, and it's going to affect SHIB as well, because we know that Bitcoin moves and altcoin moves along with Bitcoin. So when you went down like this, you made something known as bearish rectangle breakdown, and you're pretty much doing the same bearish rectangle. And you can already notice that you did have three red candles, one big huge green candle, again three-line strike. Very similar thing you did for SHIB as well. So if you do look at SHIB, very similar pattern right there. So what I wanted to actually tell you about Bitcoin is that if you do end up breaking this bearish rectangle pattern to the downside like this, then you're looking for Bitcoin to actually continue near $11,000. You're gonna actually dump all the way down to $11,000. So it's not a good idea to actually touch anything at the moment. There's a little bit of suspense. It's always better to trade when you're breaking the resistance and you're holding the support. Maybe buy at the support level. If it works, put a stop loss. You're not going to lose too much. But trading right now is pretty much risky, really risky. And you do even have a double top, right? So this double top, somehow, to me, it seems like it's going to really play out down the road. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.